Here are 5 things that we think you need for your RV journey.
Not another 5 things, is it? We're going to run out of space in this RV. We actually think these things are different, so keep watching.
I'm Shar, this is Phil, and we're Y2V.
If you have no idea what Y2V is or who we are, just take a look at some of our videos, but we renovate state parks and nonprofits and other public entities all over the country with RVers like you.
Tip number 1, bump caps.
Bump caps, have you ever heard of these things? These things are fantastic. So we found these when we were at the Freightliner shop last year in Gaffney, South Carolina. And whenever you walk into their service bay, they give you a ball cap to wear. And these things are hard. And take a look. Look at that.
They work like a dream.
All you guys who get under your rigs, open up your slide bays, get the slide dings right here. Don't worry about all those pool noodles on the corners of your slides. A bump cap like this is less than $6 on Amazon. We'll put the link below. You really need to check these things out. They're fantastic. And look, they look good too. Okay, tip number 2.
Tension rods for your refrigerator. These things work like a charm. You could go buy the RV specific ones, but you don't have to. These babies are less than $4 at Walmart, and they hold all of your stuff in. They stop the refrigerator stuff from flying out every time you open the door. So even if you have a refrigerator door lock, it doesn't stop all the stuff from falling out on you every time you open the doors after you've been traveling.
Yeah, so we did try the ones from a known RV supplier, and they came in like a pair of 2 with these little clips. First thing they did was those 2 clips broke. So we said we just got to go to Walmart and find them. Don't spend a ton of RV specific tension rods for your fridge. Get these ones, and we'll put the link below where you can get it at Walmart.
Okay, tip number 3.
Zip ties, but not any zip tie. Take a look. Removable zip ties. These things are amazing. Have you ever seen these things? You could totally buy these things at Amazon. Think about all the hoses and the power cords and all that stuff that's coiled up in your bay that kind of comes loose. You're trying to figure out the right way to tie these things together. Not anymore, man. We hate using zip ties that you have to cut apart, but when they're removable like this, they are perfect. You can buy them on Amazon. I would recommend getting a pack of multiple sizes because this is like a 12-inch one, but you can get them in 10 inches and 8 inches and stuff like that for just about everything, even if it's a temporary repair when you're hanging up some wiring and stuff like that. So, removable zip ties.
And no more wasted plastic.
Tip number 4.
Sink strainers. These things have saved our gray tank. It holds all the little junk and stuff, even tiny little pieces of quinoa go into this strainer. You take it out, dump it in the garbage, and no more of that extra sluffy stuff going into your gray tank.
Yeah, I was always ragging on Shar because we can't treat this thing. We don't have a garbage disposal. We can't let all the food stuff, invariably food gets into the sink. This thing catches it, and take a look. It looks amazing because you can't really tell that it's there. You just have to remove it when you want to fill the sink, and you have to put in your regular sink stopper, so they're fantastic.
Yep. And last but not least, tip number 5.
A multi-format smart battery charger. These things are fantastic because not only do they do your car batteries and your golf cart batteries, they also do lithium batteries. And how did I know that? Because I had to get a new battery for my battery bank below, and a regular battery charger would not charge it because it instantly thinks it's topped off. Because as you know, the LiFePO 4 batteries and the lithium batteries, they stay at a constant voltage all the way down to 0. So it thinks it's fully charged. With this thing, you select it to lithium and you connect it, start it, and it'll charge all the way up. You just need to have a BMS on that lithium battery. $62 on Amazon, and they deliver overnight. They're fantastic. So, smart battery charger. You need to have one of these things in your coach and ditch that old one you brought out of your garage.
So that's it. That is our 5 tips that we have discovered over the last 4.5 years of full-time RVing, and we feel like we cannot live without them.
Yeah, we really resisted doing the top 5 videos, but I think these are really unique and useful. Let us know in the comments below if that's the first time you've ever heard some of these things, or if you've heard it over and over and over again on YouTube, and then maybe we'll stop doing top 5 videos. I don't know.
We'll see. All right, folks, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share it with your family and friends.
See you later, everybody.
Bye.